Alright, Shady man. I need to understand the plan here. I see that our plumbers and electrical guys did exactly the opposite of what we discussed with them with regards to the plumbing and electrical outlet configuration. Just want to know if you can articulate to me so I can articulate to the customer how it's going to look good.
Man, I don't know if this is going to look good, to be honest with you. We're using pine, for crying out loud. I mean, you know, you got to look at what you're doing here. I mean, I told them boys before we put it down that we was using this stuff. Now I got to come in here. I mean, look at all these measurements I got to make. You see how much math is involved here? I mean, I like putting it up. I don't know, man. I mean, man, it's gonna look like a rabid woodpecker came in here by the time I get done cutting all them holes in this wood. I told them boys, you know, but I mean, we'll make it work, man. I mean, I got that new title you gave me, that scene title, so I gotta make it work. I can't let you down, but yeah, man, it's we do it, but these pieces I'm putting in, they're gonna be, man, they're gonna be holier than Preacher Sam.